Place the charging base in the desired location on the backboard. Connect the robot to the charging base. Charging the robot for at least 4 hours before first use. Open the Ultenic app. Tap the plus icon to add T10 to your account. Follow the app's instructions to set up the Wi-Fi connection. To activate the network, press and hold the power button and the home button simultaneously for 5 seconds until the indicator light flashes. In your device's Wi-Fi settings, access the Wi-Fi list and connect to the hotspot named Ultenic XXXX. Return to the Ultenic app and follow the instructions to complete the Wi-Fi connection. Fill the water tank. Attach the mop to the mop pad and install the assembly onto the robot. Install the water tank in place. Select the mop mode on the app. Remove the side brush. Use the cleaning brush to remove any accumulated hair or dust. Reattach the side brush. Use the cleaning brush to remove any trapped hair or debris from the omnidirectional wheel. Press and pull the 2 buttons to remove the roller brush cover. Take off the roller brush and clean it with the cleaning brush. Wipe the roller brush off with a dry mop. Reinstall the roller brush in place. Use a dry mop to gently wipe the clip sensors under the robot. Use a dry mop to gently wipe the charging contacts under the robot. Use a dry mop to gently wipe the bumper. Press the release button to remove the dustbin. Open the dustbin and empty any debris. Remove the HEPA filter. Clean the HEPA filter with water. Remove the mop from the mop pad and wash it. Wash the mop with water. Dry the HEPA filter and mop in the sun. Once the filter, dustbin, and water tank are all dry, put them back together for the next use. Pull the disc back out of the top bin, dispose of it, and replace it with a new one. Use a dry mop to wipe the charging station. And put the charging station and use a Phillips screwdriver to unscrew and remove the disc cover. Clean the disc hole with clean brush. Reinstall the disc cover with the Phillips screwdriver. Use a dry cloth to clean the iron lines and charging contacts. It is recommended to clean them at least once a month.